The Apostolic Exhortation Nobis in Animo of His Holiness Paul VI to the Episcopate, Clergy and Faithful throughout the world on the increased needs of the Church in the Holy Land turns 50 years old. Already St. Paul took to heart the fate of the first Christians. The Apostle himself brought relief to the Holy City, seeing in the collection a bond of unity between the new communities of believers and the original Church in Jerusalem. The manner in which the collection is carried out is spelled out in Paul VI's Apostolic Exhortation of March 25, 1974. The Good Friday collection, which is celebrated every year, is the Church's tool for standing by the ecclesial communities in the Middle East through the custody of the Holy Land. The Friars Minor, who have been present in these places for 800 years, are committed to supporting the needs of the churches of the Holy Land. The collection maintains 80 shrines in the holy places, provides aid for social works and school activities. It helps maintain the Christian presence in the Holy Land. Apostolic Exhortation Nobis in Animo, a bond of unity between Christians around the world with the Christians of the Holy Land, to continue to offer hope and to continue to believe in a future of peace and prosperity.